Hey everyone, Luke here with Marine Tech Detailing in Santa Cruz, California. Got a quick little tip here for all you boat owners. I'm sure you deal with this all the time. These rub marks from a garden hose or your power cord. They get all gooey, they leave these tracks. Show you a way to just clean them up real quick. It's really easy. You can use, today I have acetone, or you can use lacquer thinner. Get it on a towel and just wipe them away. Super easy, really quick. This will help keep your boat looking nice and shiny. Just like that. Simple. Alright, stay tuned for some more. Thanks.